country, but we are struggling because we don't know how to learn language, right? But they know how to learn language, and they are doing also still hard work, right? They are ready to learn any language. That's why they are traveler. They easily traveling one country to different country easily, right? But because even though you see your native language Tamil has alphabets are 45 or 54, but you are never struggling to speak your native language. But English alphabet are 26 letters, but we are struggling to speak English, right? Yeah, that's why that is a different matter because I told you earlier, slow learner and quick learner, that is a different, right? Because you can speak better English, then you can evaluate yourself how much hard work required to speak better English, right? Not only talk with someone, how are you, what do you do, where are you going, what's your name, what's your future plan, that is a simple like a biodata CV, right? Introduction part. But if you want to take topic and if you want to go on the stage and you want to deliver your speech in front of public, then that communication is a different, right? We have to collect deep knowledge about subject. Then we can do it. But language is a language. It is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. It doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score. It is required only devotion, determination, dedication, consistency, self motivation, habit. Those kind of ingredient required to enhance any language, right? Yeah. But people, they are, it depends also mindset, right? Because you learn language according to your means technique and formula. We should not copy others formula and technique, right? I want to tell you, like a YouTuber, they tell about their technique and formula according to their weak point, how they learn that language. They deliver their means technique and formula, right? Maybe that technique and formula we cannot adopt, that technique and formula cannot implement in our learning journey, right? And first of all we have to know our weak point, right? Then we learn according to our weak point. But even though you see well educated people, we have a language phobia. Everyone has a language phobia. We always nervous, we have a fearness, we have a fear of judgment, right? We don't ready to making mistake. That is a big issue, right? We always evaluate ourselves. No one can evaluate us. If you make mistake while interact with me, I cannot tell you anything, right? But you evaluate yourself, you demotivate yourself. Okay, if I make mistake while interact with that person, what they think about me? We always think that kind of fearness, nervousness, that is that phobia is a different. Everyone has a language phobia, but we never focus about that kind of part, right? We focus, if we make mistake, it definitely I will improve my mistake, right? We have to learn from our mistake, we have to learn from our failure, we have to learn from others mistake. But we never focus everything. We always feel we want to be perfection, right? We always think, if I will perfect, after that I communicate with others, right? We always demotivate ourselves. We always pull our legs with self. No one can tell us, right? If we never think about that kind of, and then definitely anyone become a good speaker. Even though you see illiterate people, they cannot read, right? But they can speak fluently because they never think about making mistake. They never think about their dignity, self-esteem, or anything. They talk with anyone, right? Like a beggars and tourist guider, they don't have degree on their hand. They have a less degree, 10 standard, 8 standard fail. 10th standard pass, they can speak fluently. And one thing also, language doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score, any medium. Anyone can learn. It is a language, right? It is a learnable skill. But well-educated people, we always fear to speak in front of anyone in English, and it is also think it is also means lack of practicing. We cannot create English speaking atmosphere around us. If we get chance to interact with anyone English, then that's when we never talk with anyone in English, right? That is also big issue. Yeah. But that, and it is depend practice. Language depends practice, how much time you invest your time. And 20% required theory, 80% required practice, earlier I told you. But we focus 20%, 80% means theory and 20% practice. That's why it will take time to speak better English, right? Because I am not telling about you speak like a native speaker, like a Canadian, Australian, American accent or British accent, right? If you convey your message, that's it. You convey your message properly, correct sentence with correct grammar with properly. Even though you see in APJ Abdul Kalam, he spoke typically South part accent. He spoke Indian standard English, and he went to abroad. He had visited abroad, and he always interacted with foreigner and professional people, right? But foreigner, they understood everything what he spoke, right? But we people always think I speak like a native speaker. We always focus accent apart from fluency and confidence, right? Yeah. First of all, we have to focus fluency. If you have a good fluency, then anyone ready to talk with you. Everyone makes mistake. It is not our first language, right? It is our second language. But our mindset is a different, and speaking comes by speaking. We have to train our mind as well. If you never trained your mind, then you cannot speak good English, and your mind never provides sentence while interact with others. That's why first of all we have to train our mind. How we train our mind? We have to cultivate habit, right? Habit means how to practice language, and we focus LSRW, reading, writing, listening, and speaking daily. Then we, and habit takes 90 days. If you do daily anything 90 days, then your mind consciously, unconsciously capture that routine inside your head, right? Then you do it. But we don't know how to cultivate habit. Habit means you have to do regularly. And if you talk with someone 1 hour and tomorrow you never talk with anyone in English, that is not called habit. You have to do regularly. We have to make a to-do list. We have to make a bucket list per day, weekly, monthly, means 6 month or fortnight, and we have to evaluate, right? Within week, 1 week, you make a to-do list how to speak better English, how to learn language. Then you can learn yourself, otherwise no one can help us, right? It is a bitter truth. Because if you join any coaching center to enhance your language, and any language institute, tutor, guider, mentor, they provide only technique and formula, right? But you have to implement their technique and formula. They only motivate you. You have to learn, you make a 20 sentences, you practice regularly, you use vocabulary while interact with others. You have to do it, right? They only motivate you, they only give you technique and formula. That is a bitter truth. If you don't ready to do hard work, then it will take time. Anything, not only English language, right? Any matter. Because right now you are a job seeker, okay, you are preparing yourself, it is also good. But if you think today you study 2 hours and tomorrow you don't feel to study, then how can you crack that exam, right? Then if you do regularly any kind of work, then definitely you cultivate your habit, and your conscious and unconscious mind help you to do that kind of work, right? Motivation also requires sometime. What happen, we always think if we talk with any fluent speaker, that's when immediately we lose our confidence in front of that person, right? We always think, how can I interact that person, he or she is a fluent speaker, right? And immediately we lose our confidence in front of that person and well educated person. We never see that person also like me. If we think, then definitely we ready to interact with anyone. We never means we never feel about language phobia, right? And fearness, nervousness, clutter, that kind of demotivate words never miss pull our legs, right? We have to train our mind. That is a simple. We have to develop also confidence. We have to cultivate our also habit, right? Otherwise language, everyone they want to enhance their English speaking, but they don't have roadmap. They never use their mental camera, right? Mental camera means we have to capture inside our head, and we have to always remember our to-do list, what you wanna do. And we don't have clear mission and vision, right? We always just think, I want to speak better English because we are Indian. India is a languages country. We never talk with anyone in English in 24 hours. That's why we people depend in this type of platform to interact with language learner, right? Then we have to do properly. Language is a language, it is a so vast, right? Did you finish your lunch? Okay. If you never talk, then I am a talkative. I talk with lots of things. Pardon? Yeah, because even though you see, because we have to take teacher means as a YouTube, right? Google, AI, Chat GPT, they are teacher in this day, right? They teach us, right? But we don't have a different mind. We have a different mind because we cannot adopt their mode of teaching, right? Even though you see India has one top exam, UPSC or state exam, student without joining any coaching, they crack through YouTube. They learn from YouTube, they learn from Google, they take help from AI, Chat GPT, and they prepare with themselves, and they crack top exam, right? Without mentor guider. They think YouTube my mentor and guider and teacher, and they obey and they watch and they learn from that. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible. It is only depend upon person to person, right? Yeah, yeah, I'm also language learner, that's why I'm here. Thank you. I have, oh, you are a good speaker also, you are a good listener also, because good listener also they become a good speaker, and good writer also they become a good speaker, good reader also they become a good speaker, right? Okay, thank you. Pardon? No, I am not a teacher, I am a language learner. Yeah, I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why little bit I discuss about that kind of topic, because I also watch tech talks or how the people enhance their language, what their technique and formula, and I want to miss evaluate why the people, how they learn that kind of language and why we can't learn like them. I always miss evaluate and I always observe, right? Yeah. Pardon? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. Right. You are right. 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 That's why perfect practice make perfect. Yeah. Thank you. Pardon? No, that kind of, because we, if you discuss with someone, then we get some technique and formula from that person, right? If you don't discuss anything, then how can you learn, right? Then at least we connect with someone, then we discuss any topic. But people, they don't ready to take and discuss any topic. They always want to talk with casual conversation. Then casual conversation is not enough to enhance any language. We have to discuss any topic, then we can gather and collect any knowledge information from that person, right? Everyone has a gratitude inside their mind, right? Then the attribute, some attribute inside them. Then if we don't communicate with that person, then how can we learn their attribute, right? Everyone has a different unique attribute within themselves. Yeah, that's why I asked them, do you wanna discuss any topic, or do you wanna talk with me in casual conversation? I ask always people. But sometimes maximum 100%, 90% people, they don't want to take topic, and they don't want to really discuss about anything. They only want to talk with me casual conversation. What's your name? Where are you from? That is also required. Introduction part also required, because we can evaluate more, means that person, their mindset, according to their